Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I want to quickly go and show you guys this upcoming hidden paradise that I find out in Asaba, Dera State. I come across this particular place on the day I was going to Ubulu, and I saw this place, and I kind of say I'll visit, must definitely visit that location to go and see what is happening there. So what you just previously watched was the entrance, the along the express where this particular place is located is along that Anwai road. If you are coming from FMC, taking Anwai road axis before the government house, that is where this place is located currently. They blockade the place with that thing I showed you earlier at the beginning of this video. So once you are coming before the government house, that is where this place is located. So according to some of the information I've gathered so far, the place is called Asaba Waterfront City. So from what I've gotten online and elsewhere, it is a project driven by the Delta State government currently. So but what is somehow confusing over here is that from what I saw, also I saw 6 lane access road to the waterfront, but getting to this place I saw that it's just only 2 lane, and it has been completed at some point, because for now I'm yet to know where the access road we finally end. But for now they ended it at somewhere down there, and from what I saw, they did a lot of sand filling around this place, because it is a swampy area, something like that. So the asphalting and the building and even the construction of the drainage system around here has been completed, and even solar street light and has also been installed. So we'll be giving you the some of the full details of what I know concerning the place, why we keep on pushing ahead. So the Asaba Waterfront City project is a large-scale development on the bank of River Niger. It is driven by the Delta State government through a PPP, that is a public-private project. Is a PPP project, and the project is aimed, to create a modern upscale city with features like a residential and a commercial plot, a central business district, recreational facilities, and world-class infrastructure. So that is a little of the information I also got online concerning the place. The rest of the things I'm going to be talking about in this video is what I saw when I visited. Like I said earlier, I also saw that it's a 6 lane access road, but what I saw here and what you can see in the video is just a 2 lane, a very should I say standard 2 lane or something like that, with both sides walkways, and I think underground the drainage system. They use the walkways to cover the drainage system, and like I said earlier, also it is a swampy area, so a lot of sand filling will be happening around this place. And from what I saw when I visited, it seems, or it looks like it has been, not that long though, but it seems like it has gotten to up to a month or close to a month since they completed this access road construction, and nothing else has been done. So what I'm currently showing you is a fish pond around the area. They also trained fish, around this area, because people are already living here. It's not that people are not living here. That's why when you go online and research about this project, they will tell you about the compensation they are giving to the people. people have already built around here and they are living here. So compensation, according to what I saw online, they are trying to compensate them, and some has been compensated. If according to what I saw too, I'm yet to confirm, but from what I saw online, they said they have compensated those whom they have removed their structures and the rest. So those living around this place also have fish pond, which I showed you there. The environment is serene though. Is a very serene environment, very cool and calm. Honestly, I can say the only problem around this place is being the swampy area. When it rains, I saw a lot of map of flood around the area, showing that it used to be very, very ugly during raining season, and that is why I think the sand filling is happening. So for them to get what they want around here, they're gonna be doing a lot of sand filling to it. And like I said earlier, they did a lot of sand filling on this particular route, which I'm working on right now. A lot of sand filling we are done there before this road were constructed, and I did not get that particular place on my video, but at some point you will notice that some of the sampling they did is close to even one decking, like close to a one decking height. When I was going, I saw that like the road is almost the same height with with a one decking building around that place, and the road almost got into that first floor of it. So they did a lot of sampling here, and it's very, very necessary to avoid a story that touches the heart in the future. So sampling will be done massively around this place. So I'll be sharing some of the prototype I also got online, merely looking at the prototype that I'll be sharing with you guys on this particular video. I think when the place will be completed, it will be a very, very nice area. It will be a very, 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 very nice area if what I saw in the prototype is what they are going to be building. I know after they have built access road and sand filled the area, what follows next is people will start coming in to purchase the land and then start building based on the the building plans they will give to them. Because I believe before they start this kind of thing, they already have the kind of structures they want to have around here. So they also planted flowers around this road, even though some of them is now being dried off, and I'm yet to know why. So some of them are drying off while some are still alive. So merely looking at the area, you can see that it's a swampy area. So this is where the road currently ends. Like I told you, this is where it currently ends, and I'll also go further to show you the amount of sampling that was done in the area. So you can see that they did a lot of sampling around this area in order to get what they actually want. So I'll be heading to the other side and also show you the view from that side. And when I turn around, kindly bear with me. When I visited, it was already in the evening, but sun the sunset is kind of reflecting on my camera. So if I turn around, the video might be a little bit blurry, so you guys can manage it that way for me for now. So as you are watching, don't forget to like the video, drop your own take via the comment sections, and don't forget to share the video. Tell us what you feel about the area. Do you think is a welcoming development, and do you see this project as something the government will actually conclude, or it's gonna be a kind of abandoned project, even though it's a PPP project? But do you see it as something that's somehow will be accomplished? So let us know via the comment sections, and don't forget to like, and if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and then Thank you for always coming by. We do do cover government project, and our major content over here is showing you some hidden areas, realization areas, and the new tourist areas, and the kind of travel vlogs. That's what you do over here. So, and to our old subscribers, thank you for always supporting us. So I really appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch our video. So this is the the view of the area. Yeah, immediately I turn around heading back towards the entrance. So this is the view. You can see that people are already living around the area. So I'm yet to know if some of these buildings very close to this place will be going down too. Maybe they will compensate them, and it will also be going down. That is what I'm yet to know, or where they are, the building structures will start will be maybe around this particular swampy areas, when the sand filling will finally come to an end. So but since I found out about the area, I'll still be going back to go and be giving you latest updates. Bye and take care.